동진이 여기 예쁘잖아. 어빈어. St. John. Do you know Hajnor? Hajnor. Khalid Hajnor.
Khalid, yeah, I know Khalid.
Yeah, below you.
I think it might have been.
Oh yeah, he might be. I think
Quite a tall boy, right?
Yeah.
Khalid, I remember Khalid, yeah. It's your uncle. Amazing. Okay, yeah, so Khalid, yeah. Yeah, if you
He got a lot of brothers now.
yeah.
Afyd Modd I maes y glendraeth a Brodyn Eryl yn draw I cae rhif 7 os gwelwch yn dda. Pitch number 7, maes y glendraeth and Brodyn Eryl, please make your way to pitch number 7.
Abdullah, you know Abdullah? Hamza, Walid, Walid in the bush. Obviously, after high school, everyone's like, good stuff over there. You still living with these now or not?
How's your time, guys?
Walking, man. Huh?
Cheers, man. Yeah, Llanrymni. It's a new build, but it's Llanrymni.
Oh, is it?
Swap! 28.
Nice side.
28 what?
Built in 20.
Yeah. Ah, shit. Yeah, is that how, that's running, isn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah, it's new.
Oh.
Walking. So what got you into it?
So, literally. Like working for a year. Now, guys, I want to go back
Coleg Gower Abertawe a Bryn Cylinog, os ydych chi'n gallu gwneud eich ffordd I cae 12 os gwelwch yn dda. Gower Abertawe College and Bryn Cylinog, can you please make your way over to pitch number 12?
Even though there he is. Yeah, man.
Awesome. Tom, what team is this? Is it Colin Quinn?
Colin, come on,
that's right.
Maybe I should come from front of us.
From Dublin.
Hi, Pedro, please.
This one, yeah? It's good to know.
Yeah. Well, thanks. Good. Mateo?
Well done, mate.
Pretty sure you're up.
I know, I'm on 240 on this one.
I feel it, okay?
Yeah, we got 240.
It's expensive
Yeah, I'm happy to do it. If I do that one on now, I don't mind.
and
Yeah?
the opposite bit. We'll work it out.
Yeah,
How long have you? When did you last come off?
I came off literally that. I was meant to do a game, but that was meant to be an extra 20.
Okay.
Coleg Gower Abertawe, mae'r gêm yna wedi cael ei ohirio. Gower Abertawe College, the game on pitch 12 has now been cancelled.
You have to have a nice pass. Yeah, but I got a bit of a 6.
For this again.
This half set.
Just kidding me. That's half off.
Okay, hour. Huh?
Hour.
Yeah.
The way you talk. Half hour, innit? Still a half hour week.
Who? Kelly. She lives 20 minutes away from me. And I live half an hour.
Good, you got a bag.
Push, on, stay out! You're inside! Give it to him! John again! Good play!
Good tackle.
Back your swing now!
Nice, good rugby.
Pass!
Is it?
Oh!
What a goal.
rhain yw'r gemau olaf yn rowndiau'r grwpiau. Unwaith nhw wedi gorffan, os gawn ni o'r boen i'r hyfforddwyr athrawon dod draw i'r pen sybodaeth i gael gwybod pwy fydd yn gyslu y gwpan a pwy fydd yn gyslu y class. These are the last games in the group round. Once they are finished, if you can ask that all coaches and teachers make their way to the information tent, and we will let you know who has made it through into the plates competition and who is in the cup competition. Thank you.
What? What's wrong? What's wrong? No. Aaron. Thanks for in there. I know it's all right. They hurt me. I know, man. I didn't want to admit it. You know, 5 days left, bro. It's not like there's a week to this. There is. At least it's not on the weekend as well. Weekend's been cancelled. It's only till Friday. Yeah, I think originally there was. Tom, it's our last game now, isn't it?
Last game, and then you got like 40-minute break, and then when you create like a
20 past 1.
so Reece, get the burgers in.
Huh? £5, you take the mick, go on.
Yeah, finances. Clean it back.
Can you? No, you can't, but I doubt it.
This way! Do it!
Yeah, you can. What's the score now? That's close, isn't it?
Yeah, 3 tries to 2. Yeah. 2. Yeah, 3 tries to conversions, 2 tries to conversions. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Hi, I'm Sam. Right, Dick.
Yes, bro.
Ball team.
We shit in this. Enjoy it, don't it? Put 10 in it.
Whichever one this kick, right? 7 miles, 4 miles.
What year is it tomorrow, right? Still? No. Still.
I think it's on 3 or 20 past 2.
Your sounds a bit.
All the way down there. Can't wait.
As long as you're wrapped in.
Feels quite fun. Oh, hey, I'm like that. Hey, Brock. Hello. Hello.
Oh, we had another Christmas. We had to play City or
Yeah.
Tommy, Chris Blocker.
Try time.
Yeah, don't he just cannon hard or
Was that-
score Hustle America and Gunway or something?
Why didn't they catch the ball?
And scores Hustle America. Deal.
Who missed that? Who missed it?
Jyst i atgoffa pawb, hein ydy'r gemau ola yn y rownd grwpiau. Mi fydd yr canlyniadau a'r pwy sy'n drwad i'r cwpan a'r blas fyny yn y tent wybodaeth ar ôl i'r gemau yma dod i ben. Felly cawn ni ofyn i bob hyfforddwr neu athro dod draw i'r tent wybodaeth ar ôl y gemau orffen mwyn gwybod lle ydych chi'n chwarae nesaf. Just to remind everyone, these are the last games in the group stages. So if all coaches or teachers can make their way to the information tent once these games are over, and you will get all the information on whether you're in the cup or the plates for the next games. Diolch.
We're going to leave the balls, yeah. Or do you want to take them back? Yeah, probably. Hmm?
Oh, watch out for ball.
Push across, Luke, push across. You've got to make it. Unlucky. Sean. Sean, quick.
Tommy, Chris Blocker. Hey, Tom. Stop. High 10 on.
Right, take over again.
Should I give it to him? Should I give it to him?
No, yeah, yeah. Comes up the other side and then Jones.
Go, Sam, go. Go forward. And again. Go for it, go for it. Go for it. Don't beat it. Back. Go it. Let's come back. Right. Good time, Caleb. Push up. Yes. Push. Sam, that's your man. Good time,
Great
Lewis.
finish. Hell of a finish. Hell of a finish.
Sean. Luke, go, yes, well done. Come on. Good done. Reece, Luke, blind, take it out, Look inside, Ben, look inside.
It's going to be a very, very close to I don't think there's anyone
Behind him! Get behind him! Push across! Leyland, good.